Stating that beef was a staple food of many Goans, the Kalangut legislator has blamed certain fanatic groups in the state who are trying to create communal divide by asking for a total ban on slaughtering in the country.
Speaking to Goa 365, Mr. Lobo said that the Union Home Minister should take the minorities into consideration while taking a decision on totally banning cattle slaughter.
I strongly feel that the Central Home Minister, Shri Rajnath Singh, has to also think about the minorities. All the minorities, whether it is Muslims, Catholics and other Adivasis, people who are beef eaters. He can bring a ban on cow slaughter, which is already banned, not on bulls and bullocks. See, when you talk about bulls, because we as minority community, all people consume beef. This is for centuries now, years together. This is going on for more than 500 years. Now all of a sudden a new government is coming in and they are trying to bring in ban on cow slaughter is accepted, not on bulls and bullocks.
Mr. Lobo stated that beef was part of the diet of the minority communities and banning such things would create a further communal divide in the country.
So banning this is only going to further create a communal divide in India. Minister is right on his part because he has grown up in Goa and has seen the gelling of both the communities, that is the Christian, Muslims and Hindus in Goa. It is totally different than other parts of India. We gel up together. We have grown together. So Chief Minister knows the sentiments of the Christians, Muslims and Hindus. So nobody has any problem except few fanatic groups who are there in Goa. They are trying to disrupt the peaceful communal harmony of Goa.
Commenting on the Supreme Court's order on RDA Minister Francisco Pacheco, the BJP legislator said that he felt sorry for his colleague and hoped that the Supreme Court accepted his review petition and gave him some relief.
I feel sorry for the minister because this is a very old case and finally judiciary, it is a judicial matter and I cannot comment on that. But I feel sorry for Mickey Pacheco. He is our colleague and I hope Supreme Court accepts his review petition and gives some relief for him.